Presenting, boAt Stone 580 Bluetooth speaker. It is available in midnight black and pine green color variants. It supports TWS functionality, meaning you can connect two Stone 580s together and play music on both simultaneously for twice the impact. Enjoy the playback via multiple connectivity modes, namely Bluetooth, aux and USB. Get ready to be enthralled by the 12W RMS Stereo Sound. The speaker offers up to a total of 8 hours of playtime per single charge via Type-C interface. Never have a dull moment with the thunderous sound and stylish LED lights of Stone 580. The IPX4 marked water and splash resistant build lets you carry your sound wherever travel without any worry. Tune into the world of on-air music with uninterrupted songs and audio shows with FM radio. Enjoy the true sound of your playlists with an impact courtesy the speaker's ergonomic design. The box includes Stone 580, charging cable, user manual and warranty card. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.